Voice Box of the Block, man. We back at it with another one. Today we're gonna be doing a reaction video with Smac. Smac been going at Milk74, saying Milk can't use the 74 no more. He gotta check in. He ain't been checking in, dog.
And while a lot of shit is shaking right now, what happened?
I'm calling.
You call? He calling?
Yeah, twice.
Okay, call in, man. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying?
Okay,
We got some call-ins, man.
Okay.
What's going on, man?
Niggas on the call-in shit?
Yeah, we got call-in.
Damn, niggas mad I'm on figure what?
Shit.
Shit, with the white people
What
got
we got
in.
call-in?
Niggas coming in already.
What's the deal, fool? We live right now. I'm back on Fig with some of my low, man.
Hold up. Wait a minute, I can't get out of FaceTime wise.
I don't got no iPhone. I ain't got an iPhone. Yeah.
And the crazy part is Milk said he ain't got no phone. He said he can't call him because he don't have a phone. Yeah, that's the crazy part, man. So they saying Milk got to check in. Milk ain't been back to the hood. He been claiming 74 and ain't been back to the hood. So he got to come check in, man.
So, Red, you want to FaceTime him?
We can hear you.
Hey, look. So, look, we gonna get straight to the meaty gritty, right?
Hold on.
Hey, what's up with this dude named Milk74? That supposed to be Bang Bangs.
Hold on. That was the little homie. That's the little homie, the little white homie. But Grove ain't been around. Grove need to check in, bro.
He gotta check it.
Go ahead and check in.
Yeah, you definitely gotta check in, bro.
Big homie Bubbles wants you to check in, nigga. Homie Buddha wants you to check in, nigga. I just reached out to you like 2 or 3 times, homie. If you ain't fucking with us, nigga, stop playing this set, nigga. I've been out 14 years. I ain't never seen you before. Never met you. Homie said they have, but I'm at every funeral. I'm at the man to the court right motherfucking now. And that's the reason why I told you earlier, bro, I'm over the homies with 7-4. They got something they want to holler at Grove about.
Yeah, they right there with you. Yeah, because he watching.
Niggas is just pulling up right now. That's why niggas are trying to pull up.
So they saying Milk just been on the balcony, man. So was C-Mac right? Was he just a balcony gangster? You know what I'm saying? Was he just on the balcony? You know, do he ever step off the balcony? If I was Milk, I wouldn't care nothing about none of these folks saying I'd take that stuff off everything and just keep it moving, man. Keep it rocking.
Before y'all was back, niggas need to holler, bro.
Yeah, we gonna, I told you we gonna bring this shit to the club, and that's when everybody can pull up and say if they got their piece. Because this boy on YouTube, like he just that nigga from 74, and I'm telling him, you gotta stay in your place, young man.
Hey, Milk, I don't even know this nigga, Milk, but it sounds like you need to handle your character, bro.
Go ahead and check in, bro. Shut that one six on gang, bro. You're giving the whole book. Everybody else did this over, and you ain't even come report back. Niggas don't know what the fuck you on. Niggas just get on the internet, bro. That's how we get down. Bro. Oh, baby, fuck it up. They see you got niggas in your holler at real niggas, real 7-4 niggas, bro. That you can stick to, bro. If a nigga don't feel comfortable in the back, bro, would you still holler at 7-4?
Now, what would Milk have? Why would he even go back? It don't even make no sense, man. Hey, man, y'all got to keep moving forward, man. Got to keep progressing in life. Some of this stuff don't matter, man. But Milk, you can't claim the hood no more. You already know that.
Right.
Nigga don't feel comfortable, bro. Hoping like that go for every nigga on the internet. Go on Westside Hoover, nigga. If you niggas ain't coming to the set, ain't logged in with it, he acting like cause I think he he's famous as fuck. That shit don't fly over here, bro. That shit don't fly over here, bro. Even if you ain't an active gamer right here, shoot that nigga. You still gotta report. Everybody gotta check their motherfucking time card in. On Hoover.
Yeah, that part.
And see, that's why I couldn't never get with the gang banging and all that. Because I'm not checking in with nobody, man. I'm telling you. You know, I'm not checking in with nobody. And whoever got a problem with it, you know, it's whatever. You know how, you got to be a man, man. You know, but Cali rules is Cali rules, though. I respect Cali rules, though. But I couldn't do it. Me personally, nigga getting beat on in the alley or something, nah, man. I'm not finna go for that.
It's coming from the set, bro. like I said, see homie Bubbles and holler at he about to be in that groove. Hold the rank. You know what I'm saying? Basically, we've been hollering at these all 74 niggas that groove need to come holler about. Come holler at. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't on this. I ain't on no bullshit on the internet. Niggas don't even know. I ain't even with all that. I'm just speaking the real, bro. He got a platform that he uses for him. No, Hoover, that ain't what Hoover do. If you want to use it for you, use your first and last name, nigga. Not doing that, bro. Come log in with the log arenas that supposed to be logged in with, nigga. Oh,
That part for sure. Look.
They told Milk74 he can't use the 74 no more. He got to use his first name, Gilligan. Nah, I'm just playing. Milk ain't no Gilligan to me. You know what I'm saying? Milk going in. Hey, Milk dropping back to back though. You gonna have to outwork him. You got to outwork him if you talking about him though. You already know that. Now he dropping right now. I'm sure he dropping five videos before 12 noon now. Milk work ethic. Hold on, let me say this and then I'm gonna play the video. Milk work ethic is on a whole nother level though. And y'all know that. If you go check Milk page out, he dropping 5 videos before 12, man. Every day.
OG Percy, ain't no such thing as 5 dose. HCG. Ain't no such thing as that shit.
Fact.
Gang shit, nigga. Niggas all over these motherfucking podcasts with this bullshit talking to weird ass niggas. Weird niggas. Niggas that just be talking like.
So he just went at OG Percy too, man. You know, I check out OG Percy from time to time, man. You know. He say OG Percy ain't official. Come on.
Niggas ain't been in the set. Niggas don't know what we going through out here right now.
Facts.
Oh, bro, so stop speaking on the set, bro. If you not of the set, if you not, bro, nigga don't want you to come out here and bust and do no bullshit. Nigga got a gang of knuckleheads that can do all that shit. You supposed to be something positive, nigga. Bring your ass to the set so the little homie, the little brothers and everybody can see somebody doing something positive. You on the motherfucking internet with some bullshit, bro. Bring your ass to the set, bro.
That's
Serious.
real. Bottom line, hey, I'm gonna hit you after the stream.
Not only for bro, not only for bro, that goes for all the homies out here, bro. That's on this internet, bro. Popping this hot shit. Niggas ain't popping nothing, nigga. I know that, cause I'm out here every day. I know the niggas that's doing the popping. I know the niggas that's doing what's doing. You ain't just cause you from the set, nigga, don't mean you gotta be all that. You ain't gotta do the bad shit. Come through, show these little niggas some good shit.
That's real, dude.
Period, dude. Nigga not playing with no niggas, bro. You gonna big on these bobcats from the left deuce out here, bro. I'm trying to explain to y'all, bro. We need a whole group of movement because, bro, we was popping. Our section is popping. Everybody wanna know about what's going on with us.
Facts.
But we need to get us together. And how we do that is niggas start logging in like they supposed to log in, bro. Nigga don't want nothing you got, bro. I got a whole yacht downtown Long Beach. What you got? You know, bro.
He say he got a yacht in downtown Long Beach. But Milk say he ain't seen no yacht with no homies. Yeah. He say he ain't seen no homies on no yacht, man. Milk say that's cap.
It ain't even like that, bro. It ain't even like that. A nigga ain't on the disrespectful shit, bro. I'm relaying a message that all over niggas is relaying, bro. Come up here and see about your people. Or they ain't your people. One of the two.
I like that, man.
Facts. Hey, I'm gonna hit you after the stream.
Hey, that's some real shit, bro.
Alright, love you, bro.
A lot of people be getting clout off all this street shit.
Yes,
dog.
sir.
Hey, is it just me or Cali niggas and they extortion game on a whole nother level, nigga? Y'all niggas can't even get what they level on extortion, nigga. I'm talking about niggas gonna extort anything they got some money coming in. You got to pay your dues, taxes, all this, come to meetings, all this, you got to pay in, nigga. They gonna get their money. I can't say that. Cali nigga bought their money.
Surreal, you want me to give you his number?
Yeah. Don't give me your number on this motherfucker. We
I'm
live.
gonna give it to you. I'm gonna send it to you.
Only said I got you.
Y'all niggas don't think I'm no bozo ass nigga that just punk. My name is Hoover Gumby. I'm Hoover. Y'all can Google my shit. The only Hoover nigga that's on the, matter of fact, the only gangster nigga that's on the motherfucking Rolling Stone cover. Nigga,
God.
Hoover Street. Nigga, Google it. Reggie Cole. Rolling Stone. Bitch. Hoover gang.
All right, we gonna give you my number when we
with these niggas every day. So why you want to play with my name? You could never play with me or smut my name, nigga. Cause I'm gonna have your homies riding with me, nigga. You heard what he said, so tap in.
So Smac hollering at Milk partners, you know. He's saying he got to check in, but the crazy part is Smac in some he ain't even in the same thing as Milk, so it's like, you know, you gotta mind your business on that one. I know I need to mind, but that's a whole, yeah, we gonna go, yeah.
Nigga, they go check in with the homies, bitch.
So can I get some pushback from Milk though?
Huh? And if you do another reaction, I got something else for you, boy. I'll put you in the dirt with this shit, boy. I'm gonna bury your YouTube channel. You ain't gotta worry about that. Yeah, they finna have a field day with this one, nigga. Yeah, I called in, nigga. Your hood, nigga. So now for the world to know that they heard it for themselves, nigga. They ain't gotta be guessing. Ooh, shout out Nina, boy. Shout out that boy, Slim. Yeah, the truth is in the detail. Wanna play with me, boy?
Alright, this been another one, man. Voice Box of the Block, man. Y'all hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. We out.